Alright, YouTube, that's it. That's it, alright. At first, I was gonna just try to see, you know, if I could get waves. I was just gonna try to just like basically make this a video of me trying to get waves with the hairstyle I got, and then eventually go back to that hairstyle. But to be honest with y'all, man, I'm loving like being back brushing my hair, and just doing this kind of made me miss waving, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna keep it. Alright, YouTube, listen up, listen up, listen up. Alright, YouTube, listen, it's your boy 360 Jeezy, and this is the update, alright? This is the biggest update of all times. I've only been waving for like a week and a half, and I'm gonna show you guys my progress. I'm gonna tell you guys how I got here, you know, what I used to get here, and at the end of this video, I'm gonna introduce this product that a lot of you guys in the past, you know what I mean, a lot of wavers was dogging me about this product. I'm gonna be showing you guys the effects of the curl enhancing smoothie. But you know what I'm saying, it's still relevant to this day. You just gotta know how to use it, all right? So make sure you guys stay tuned. This progress is crazy. Alright, so I know the questions are coming. You guys are probably asking me,
Jeezy, how did you get your waves back that fast?
Now, you guys gotta remember when I first started trying to get my waves back, I basically just laid my fro back down, right? Automatically, I was at my curl length. I was well above my curl length, so getting the wave process was gonna come fast. Cause basically all I had to do was brush, 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 and my hair was gonna curl, you know, in a matter of days. You know what I mean? It's not like you cutting it down to a 1.5 and you're training your hair to lay straight. You know what I mean? This is actually training your hair to get waves. All right, so what I did was when I laid it down, you guys seen, if you guys follow me on Instagram, 360 Jeezy, you guys would have seen me cut my hair down lower. I cut it to a number 4, cut my edges to a number 3. That way my hair could kind of go into my taper instead of it being just like, you know, so uneven. So let's talk about how much I actually brush. Listen, the work ethics is crazy. When I wake up in the morning, I brush. I brush for about a good hour. I do a session, okay? I go out and enjoy my day, all right? We're closed right now. I don't have nothing to do. So it's kind of like, you know, I got time to actually put in work. So boom, morning time, hour. I go throughout my day, you know what I mean, spend time with my family and all that, or get some editing done, you know, whatever it is throughout my day that I do, I make sure that I do it. Then I come back probably like an hour and a half later and do another hour session. Boom, I go probably, you know, do a bike ride, have some lunch, chill with my family, do something else. And then I come back again with another brush session.
Damn, Daniel, back at it again with the white van.
Probably for 45 minutes to an hour, and I just repeat this cycle throughout the whole entire day. Sometimes I'm up at like 2 o'clock in the morning just brushing my hair. I would say I do at least, at the bare minimum, 5 sessions a day that equal up to an hour.
Oh, hell no!
So I'm really putting in work. You know, I consider this as a job for me. So also, all right, there's a little hidden secret, all right, that I'm not willing to show you guys just yet, is that I have designed my own brush.
What?
That I'm using, and I'm solely using it, you know, throughout this whole process. So that could be a hidden factor to it all, but because I actually designed this brush and the way it's shaped and just everything about it is just like for swirls. And you know, it could be for beehive wavers too, but for swirl wavers, this brush go crazy. There's no official release date to this brush. I've been working on it for like 2 years, but you know, just know that it's in the works, okay? So I do have a brush coming out, and yeah, it's like I said, it's gonna go crazy. All right, so let's talk about the products that I'm using. And for one, I wanna say, don't be so caught up in only natural products, all right? Especially when you're first starting out, don't be afraid. If all you got is $3 in your pocket, go to Walgreens or Walmart, whatever CVS, whatever pharmacy store that sells grease, pick you up some 360 Style Pomade. When you first starting out, alright, do not be ashamed to use this. And I only say use it when you first starting out, alright? Because for the simple fact that it does wash off your hands easy. This is not a paid promotion, just want to throw that out there. You apply it in your hair, it lays your hair down, and it just gives you a good shine, and it's great for doing beginner brush sessions to get your waves to form. All right, so I also use Seasick Pomade. This is a great product, all natural, and it has that same, you know, thick Murray's feel to it. All right, it still holds your hair in place. I use this mainly for my crown area. You know, I like to go a little bit natural when it comes to my crown area, because that's the first thing that goes. Besides your corners, that's the first thing that goes. So you want to make sure that, you know, you're not just clogging up your pores, you know, with unnatural products. So if you're gonna use it, make sure it's natural when you put it on. This is a good product for your crown. Now, after I got my waves locked in and it's to this level, I just go with a more natural product. This right here is the virgin babasu oil. It's kind of like a grease, but it rubs in your hand like an oil. So at this point, now that I got the waves formed, I'm still gonna use Seasick Pomade on my crown. I'm kind of done with the 360 Style Pomade at this point, but for the most part, I'm just gonna be using light oils and light grease, light butters. All right, so like I said in the beginning, there's this product that a lot of wavers was dogging me about. They always, you know, bring it up.
Oh, remember when Jeezy used to use Curl Enhancing Smoothie? Remember Jeezy used to use this product right here?
You know, they dogging me now about me using this, but at the end of the day, I still use it, and it's a purpose and reason why I use it. We're gonna get into that right now. I'm gonna put some of this in my hair and explain to you guys why I use it. Let's go.
HustleDreamProduction.
So rub it in your hands until it looks like this. This is the consistency that you're going for. You want it to be pasty. And shout out to Young Wavy, because he used to do this back in the days, and you know, I got this from him. So you want to make sure it looks exactly like this. Don't apply it straight out of the jar. Make sure that the consistency is like this paste. All right, so before I put anything in my hair, I just want you guys to notice how flat and how not defined my waves are right now. As far as anything, my waves aren't like, you know, popping out. It doesn't look crisp, you know what I'm saying? Like, it just looks flat and laid down. Not to say that's a bad thing, but I want my waves to have this kind of a 3D effect to it. I want it to have some type of, what do you call it? Depth, you know? I want it to have some depth to it. So when I apply this product, I basically pat it in, make sure I get it all around. Rub it in until it's all the way in there. Then after everything is in there, I'm gonna take my comb and I'm gonna do a comb session and basically comb it all through. You guys are gonna see what it does. At the end of me doing this whole process, my hair is gonna be a lot frizzy, but it's gonna make my waves a lot more defined. Let's go. So now that I have everything combed in, I'm gonna apply a little bit more to my hair, just so I need the product to really be damped and saturated in my hair for this to work. So I'm at like a 5 on top to give you guys an idea how much hair is on my head. So on this one, I'm not gonna fully, you know, make sure it's all in there. Make sure it's a little bit of white on top. Then I'm gonna go back in and comb. So after I'm done combing, I basically do not brush it down. I just compress my hair down with my wave cap. And then I'll wait for like an hour or 45 minutes, 30 minutes. You don't have to be that long, but I wait till my hair to fully dry and for the product to really set in. Now, is this gonna make your hair dry? Yes. All right, this is not gonna add any shine to your hair. This is not gonna give your hair any vibrancy at all. So what I'll do is come behind it and put some virgin babasu oil in my hair. That way, my hair could look a lot healthy, looks a lot, you know, shiny, and my waves will pop. Now, the reason why I don't brush it down or, you know, lay it down with a soft brush or go back with a medium and then hard and then plastic bag, the reason why I don't do that is because I want my hair to kind of naturally have that room off of my scalp. You know what I mean? I don't want it to be so compressed. That way, you're taking away the depth. You're actually compressing your hair back down to its natural state. So you want to, you know, just comb and then slap on the do-rag. Yes, it's still compressing your hair, but it's still leaving that room for, you know, your hair to still be high up off your scalp. So you only want to do this when you're woofing. If you have a fresh cut, do not do this. Don't plan on doing this at all. This is to create depth in your hair. You want your waves to really pop and stick out. You know, you're a beginner, so you're trying to get that real curl movement going, and you want it to be crisp and sharp. I haven't got a haircut yet, so I'm really trying to, you know, make my waves more defined without actually cutting my hair. So that's what I do. I'll come back and show you guys the results, and you guys will see if, you know, my waves look more defined or if they look the same. Chances are I'm gonna show you guys the way my hair looked before I did it, and then you guys can be the judge after I come back and show you guys the way it looks now. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, so it's been about an hour, so let's see what it looked like. I could definitely feel my waves pop out way more than when I didn't use the product. Definitely doesn't have too much of a shine to it, so that's why I am gonna apply some virgin babasu oil right now. And that's basically all you need. That's how you apply this product. It really ain't that deep. For everybody out there to think that the curl enhancing smoothie is just trash, it's really not. You just gotta know how to use it. All right, you guys, and that is the update on my 360 waves. It's only been a week and a half, man, but listen, I say this quote and I say it all the time: hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency, the will to keep going when the going gets tough and the tough gets going, you go. All right, that's the amount of work that you have to put in to be able to reach a certain level, right? To progress, to see improvement. All right, make sure you add hard work into everything that you do. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button for more videos to come. I'm out. Peace.